Good evening. Today we are going to tell you what is art of excellence. Uh, this is was conceived in the mind of one gentleman who wanted to share some thoughts with the young minds of India. He is Mr. Anurag Saxena. Now his personality, let me tell you about it. He is basically the founder, president, motivational speaker, author, soft skill trainer, counselor, personal coach, and he has given 5,000 workshops on art of excellence. He is a guest speaker in all the engineering colleges and MBA colleges. He likes to introduce himself and with a live audience, but the issue is that due to COVID, it is very difficult for audience to come in the classroom or the hall. But anyway, we are trying to connect with the audience that so that they can know what is art of excellence. Now you see, you have to understand what is art of excellence. First, understand art of excellence. Art means kala और excellence means उत्कृष्टता. तो किसी भी उत्कृष्टता में अगर आपको कला आती है, प्राप्त है, तो आप एक अच्छे इंसान बन सकते हैं. So what is art of excellence? So let me tell you, the first is it's a concept. Second, I would say it's a soft skill course. It's based on many things which I'll be sharing with you. Third is it's a book, and you will see the book, and we'll give you a live demo also of the book later on. Then comes his lectures. Art of excellence is also in the terms of some lectures, some talks and all, and its video links. So these are 5 things which is, you can say, that art of excellence is. Now see here, I'll try to tell you 2 things. इस स्लाइड को बहुत ध्यान से देखिएगा. इंसान ज़िंदगी में जब भी कोई काम करना चाहता है, शुरू करना चाहता है, तो उसके सामने 2 रास्ते होते हैं. एक रास्ता उसको ले जाता है जहाँ वो विनर बन सकता है, सक्सेसफुल बन सकता है और अचीवर बन सकता है. एंड ऑन द सेकेंड रोड द पर्सन कैन बिकम अ लूजर और अ स्ट्रगलर और अ फेलियर. So आप किसी से भी, if you ask someone where do you want to go, everybody will say that I want to go on the green side, that is right side. But only 5% people reach in their life. Nobody wants to go on this red road, but 95% of the people reach there. So now 2 things are very important to understand. The first is that if you are not going on the track number 1 consciously, then automatically by default you are going on track number 2. So please remember, consciously you have to be on the track number 1. Now what is the behind of this session, why we are doing this? We have done a little bit of study and we found that especially in India, 68% of the Indian engineers are not ready for employment, and 77% of the MBAs are not employable. They just have a degree which is called a stationary item and not more than a toilet paper. But you see what happens. You don't have got skills which are really required in real life. Now what are the importance of soft skills? Let me share with you. It's like this. When you get these soft skills knowledge, you going to increase your self-esteem and confidence. You will be developing a lifetime enthusiasm for learning new skills. You will be developing positive communication and social skills. You will be developing critical thinking and decision making skills, working with peers and its teams, motivating them to protect themselves from harmful influences and negative pressure which is everywhere in the society, and also empowering you to plan your careers and choose a career they will enjoy. Now getting a better understanding of their strength and weakness, you see, it's very important for every human being to understand what is SWOT. Now SWOT is a model which calls strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. Now if a person knows very clearly his strength and weaknesses, then he can have a balance of it, and whenever opportunity comes, he grabs it, and if he is unable to grab it, then it's a threat. So I always say you must know your strengths and weaknesses. Well, giving confidence to difficult tasks with inhibition of performance related issues. And lastly, providing information and courage to transform their dreams into realities. You see, only 5% of people are successful in achieving their dreams, rather converting them into dreams. Mr. Saxena always says that dreams are nothing but goals with deadlines. So now the course entire material of Art of Excellence has been split into 2 levels. So first level I will be sharing with you is attitudes, behaviors, communication skills, interpersonal skills, stress management, time management, goal setting, presentation skills, motivational skills and leadership skills. Now see what happens. All these 10 things are very, very important in your life. Attitudes, it's the most, if somebody asks, so I can only say that between those winners and losers, the only one which separates them is attitude. And most of the people do not understand what is attitude. So these are 10 things which a person should know. And let me make it very clear that each session has got of 2 to 3 hours of interactive, and lot many questions are there, study material, PDF, folders, test papers and live demos are there. Then second level mein we go into relationship skills, selling skills, corporate etiquettes, and we also share with let's say the book written by Stephen Covey, The 7 Habits of Effective People. So we have done it, what are the effective skills. Then next is values and visions. You must have values some in your life and vision very clear about your life future, and must learn problem solving skills. Yes, public speaking skills is very important, decision making. And then if at all in your life you want to go into entrepreneurship, you are taught what are the components of becoming a successful entrepreneur. And in the end, last is networking. Now see what happens is these are the basic course of Art of Excellence. Now whenever a student gets enrolled, and we are going online very shortly, so whenever a student will get enrolled, what he will get? He will get video links and all topics in PDF folders as study material. He can always read and then watch what the speaker and the trainer is explaining them. Then you will have weekend test papers. There will be a lot of doubt clearing sessions. You will be getting the book Art of Excellence, and after completion of course you will be getting a certificate, and finally you will be getting an association with Art of Excellence, which is an NGO. And we also need a lot of trainers, lot of public speakers, lot of soft skill trainers who will train and develop and transform them into a fantastic public speaker and a trainer, and then they can take their life wherever they want. Now see, this is a team, young students, because the concept cannot be handled by one person. So this is a team who always perform, sometimes on the stage, sometimes at the back of the stage. They enjoy working together. They are young, now they are still associated. Some are associated for the last 7 years, some are with 10 years, some are new. And finally that is it. So it was a small video to know what is Art of Excellence. And if at all you want to reach us, I would suggest please visit our website, that is www.artofexcellence.in. You have got 2 mobile number on your screen, and email is already given. So if you think, give a WhatsApp message on these numbers to know what is the registration fees and what is the total fees. So it's not a very long term course, it's just 8 weeks and 10 weeks. Within 8 weeks you can learn a lot of skills, and within 10 weeks you can be a master of those 10 skills. And for balance, it only depends whether you qualify for the first course or not. Then only we would like to take the young students on the second course. So here I say goodbye, take care, thank you, and from Anurag Saxena signing off, thank you.